Best High-Limit Credit Cards of 2025, a strategic guide for personal funding. Understanding the key approval factors. Before diving into which credit cards offer limits of $20,000 or more, it's important to understand what banks consider when evaluating your application. Unless you have a credit score above 740 and a household income exceeding $150,000, your relationship with the bank will significantly influence your approval odds. Lenders also examine your existing accounts with the institution, such as checking, savings, money markets, or CDs, and your overall credit profile. Ideally, you should have at least 3 to 4 credit accounts that are over 2 years old. Regional lending trends also impact your application, as lenders assess default rates in your area. In general, having a household income above $85,000 and a low debt-to-income (DTI) ratio will enhance your chances of approval. Wells Fargo, high limits with flexible usage. Wells Fargo is a strong option for those seeking high-limit credit cards. They typically pull from your Experian FICO 9 score. The Wells Fargo Reflect card offers 21 months of 0% interest on purchases and balance transfers. If you receive an initial limit of $10,000 or $15,000, you can often request a higher limit without a second hard inquiry. Additionally, Wells Fargo provides convenience checks that allow you to liquidate your credit line into cash for investment opportunities. Another solid product is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, which may involve an Equifax pull but still uses the FICO 9 model. U.S. Bank, long introductory periods and strategic funding. U.S. Bank's Shield Visa offers an impressive 24-month 0% interest period on purchases and balance transfers, making it ideal for starting ventures like Airbnb or Turo. This bank typically pulls from TransUnion FICO 9 but may use Equifax depending on your location. Other options include the U.S. Bank Altitude and Cash Plus Visa, both offering 15-month introductory 0% APR periods. These cards present excellent value for strategic borrowing. Hovia Credit Union, Visa Signature Elite Card. Hovia's Visa Signature Elite starts at a $5,000 credit limit but can scale to $20,000 plus with the right profile. They pull TransUnion and allow the same hard inquiry to be used for loan applications. This institution rewards comprehensive banking relationships and financial documentation. American Express, Hilton Honors Card. For those new to American Express, the Hilton Honors Amex is a viable high-limit option without an annual fee. Amex generally pulls both Experian and TransUnion FICO 8 scores. They also allow you to include 401k and spousal income when listing your total income, helpful for entrepreneurs and dual-income households. PenFed Credit Union, rewards cards for high limits. PenFed offers both Pathfinder Rewards and Platinum Rewards credit cards that can start at $20,000 for well-qualified applicants. A credit score of at least 680 is recommended for those limits. PenFed uses Equifax FICO 9 and allows membership for the general public. Navy Federal Credit Union, military-affiliated funding solutions. Navy Federal remains relationship-driven and offers some of the highest starting limits with its Go Rewards, Visa Signature, and Platinum Rewards cards. With the right relationship, even applicants with 580 credit scores may qualify for $20,000 plus. A unique feature is the ability to transfer credit balances to a Navy Federal Go debit card, bypassing typical balance transfer limits and increasing liquidity. Apple Federal Credit Union, Signature Rewards Card. Apple FCU's Signature Rewards Card allows credit lines up to $50,000 and pulls from TransUnion. For those aiming to secure $20,000 or more, this is a strong option with fewer geographic restrictions. NASA Federal Credit Union, Visa Platinum Advantage. To join NASA FCU, applicants can join the National Space Association. The Visa Platinum Advantage card uses Experian Vantage 4 and is known for its generous high-limit approvals. Edward Jones, World Mastercard with Elin Financial. Through Elin Financial, affiliated with U.S. Bank, Edward Jones offers a World Mastercard that often starts at $5,000 but can scale to $20,000 plus. Applicants must open an investment account with Edward Jones to qualify. Connexus Credit Union, My Perks Visa. Connexus Credit Union's My Perks Visa uses Experian FICO 9 and is accessible to all U.S. residents. It's a relationship-driven lender, and supplemental payroll documentation may strengthen your application. Tower Federal Credit Union, World Mastercard. Tower FCU offers a World Mastercard with limits ranging from $5,000 to $30,000. The World or World Elite designation typically signals higher credit limits. Tower is another solid option for those seeking flexibility. PSCU, Founders Rewards Card. The PSCU Founders Rewards Card is a top-tier option without geographic restrictions. Setting up direct deposits enhances your relationship with the credit union and increases your chances for higher approvals. Applicants who lack traditional employment documentation can benefit from services offering 6 months of payroll records and a credit consultation. Final thoughts and strategic advice. Building strong financial documentation, including direct deposits, proof of income, and a well-aged credit profile, is essential for securing high-limit personal credit cards. These strategic insights can unlock $20,000 plus approvals across a range of credit unions and banks.